Hello everyone and welcome to TND Academy. Today's topic is Lifecycle Cost Analysis of Assets ISO 55001. Let's dive in. Managing assets effectively is not just about buying and using them. It's about understanding their entire life cycle from acquisition to disposal and managing costs at every stage. This is where Lifecycle Cost Analysis, as emphasized in ISO 55001, plays a crucial role. Lifecycle cost analysis means calculating the total cost of an asset over its entire life. This includes initial costs, the cost of purchasing or acquiring the asset; operational costs, expenses related to running the asset such as energy or labor; maintenance costs, costs for inspections, repairs and servicing; disposal costs, expenses for decommissioning or recycling the asset at the end of its life. Why is life cycle cost analysis important? Let me explain. Better decision making. It helps you choose assets that may cost more initially but save money in the long run. Optimized maintenance. By understanding life cycle costs, you can plan maintenance activities to avoid expensive breakdowns. Increased value. It ensures you get the best value from your assets by minimizing total costs. Sustainability. It encourages the selection of assets with lower environmental impacts throughout their life cycle. How can you perform life cycle costs analysis? Here are the key steps. Identify costs. List all costs associated with the asset from start to finish. Estimate lifespan. Determine how long the asset will last. Calculate total costs. Add up all costs over the asset's lifespan, considering factors like inflation or discount rates. Compare alternatives. Use the analysis to compare different assets and choose the most cost-effective option. ISO 55001 encourages organizations to use lifecycle cost analysis because it promotes long-term thinking instead of focusing only on upfront costs. It ensures that decisions are based on total value over time. In conclusion, lifecycle cost analysis is a powerful tool for optimizing asset management. By understanding the true cost of your assets, you can make smarter decisions, save money, and enhance performance. Thank you for joining and watching, and let's make asset management more effective together. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.